In today's video, we are going to solve problem 22. Press S plus Y plus 2 and enter. Toggle edit mode. Click on knife tool and cut the solid as in the video screen. Press enter and click on face select mode and delete the 3 triangular faces. Now click on edge select mode button and shift select the 3 faces and press F to fill the area. Now click on face select again and press E extrude on the upper face of the solid. Adjust the camera and render image and save as to your computer. Congratulations, you have solved the problem. A few other videos on Blender problem will come very soon. Please join our channel. Thanks for watching.